Namaste, dear students, and welcome in RSV Higher Secondary School's online classes of science for class 8th. Today, we will start chapter 5th, that is coal and petroleum. The aim of our chapter is to understand that Earth is composed of several natural resources and also to understand the formation of fossil fuels like coal, petroleum, and natural gas, and also about their uses. For this, we will start our chapter with natural resources. Resources which are obtained from nature are called natural resources. Some natural resources can be used directly. For example, sun, wind, water, etc. While using some others, we need the help of some technology. For example, propane, natural gas, petroleum, etc. Now, what are inexhaustible natural resources? The resources which do not exhaust and which are available in plenty in nature are known as inexhaustible natural resources. For example, air, sunlight, etc. The next one is exhaustible natural resources. Resources which get exhausted and are not available in nature in plenty and are known as exhaustible natural resources. They take longer to get replenished. For example, coal, petroleum, forest, minerals, etc. Coal and petroleum. Coal and petroleum are exhaustible natural resources as their availability is limited in nature. Coal and petroleum are used mainly as fuel. Coal is used as fuel, petroleum products are used to run vehicles, and for many other purposes. Coal and petroleum are known as fossil fuels since they are formed from remains of living organisms. Coal. Coal is a black colored stone like material. Coal is used to produce electricity in thermal power stations. Coal was used to run steam engine till recent years in India. Coal gives carbon dioxide when burnt in air. Now, how coal was formed? Before the dinosaurs, many giant plants died in swamps, and over millions of years, the plants were buried under the water and dirt. And because of heat and pressure, they turned into coal. About 300 million years ago, dense forest in low-lying lands of Earth got buried because of many natural processes. In the due course, they sank deeper and deeper inside the earth, and because of high pressure and temperature, they slowly converted into coal. Such slow process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal is called carbonization. Coal is considered as fossil fuel as it is formed because of carbonization of dead remains of living organisms. Coal is mined from earth and processed to obtain many useful products such as coal, coke, coal tar, etc. First of all, we will explain coke. Coke is almost pure form of carbon. Coke is a porous, black and similar to coal. Coke has high percentage of carbon and very low percent of impurities. It is obtained from destructive distillation of a particular type of coal. Coke is used as fuel, as reducing agent, in the smelting of iron ore in blast furnace. It is used in the manufacturing of steel and in the extraction of many types of metals. The next one is coal tar. Coal tar is obtained as one of the byproduct while obtaining the coke or coal gas. Coal tar is a highly viscous liquid and brown black in color. It is variable mixture of many substances. Coal tar is used in the manufacturing of many products such as synthetic dyes, drugs, explosive, perfumes, plastics, roofing material, etc. Till about 2 decades ago, coal tar was used as binding material in the making of roads. But nowadays, bitumen is used in making of roads in the place of coal tar. Now, coal gas. Coal gas is also one of the byproducts in the processing of coal. Coal gas is used as fuel mainly for heating in many industries. There are many different types of coal. These are as follows. The first one is lignite, which is also known as brown coal. It contains 25 to 35% of carbon. The second example is bituminous coal. It is soft coal. It contains 45 to 86% of carbon. And the best quality of coal is anthracite coal, which is hard coal. It has the highest heat energy, contains 87 to 97% of carbon. In this way, we have learned in this topic about coal, coke, coal tar, and also about coal gas. Remaining part of this chapter we will discuss in our adjoining PPT. So, till then, take care and keep learning. Goodbye.